Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up fingerprint unlock on Vivo Y29. If you're using Vivo Y29 and now you want to set up your fingerprint unlock, so let's see how can do this. You just have to open your settings app. From here, just scroll down and look for password and security, tab on it. From here, you just have to select fingerprint here, tab on it, and then you have to enter your phone password. After that, you have to select add fingerprint from here, tab on it, then select start enrollment, and then you just have to replace your fingerprint on your fingerprint sensor until the whole fingerprint area will be completed. After the process, you just have to tab on done. From here, you have to make sure that your these settings are enabled, which is unlock. You can easily lock your fingerprint for your screen unlock, and here's the privacy and app encryption. If you want to use your fingerprint for your app encryption or privacy, if you have any app locks, you can easily use your fingerprint for this. So that's how you can easily set up your fingerprint on your Vivo Y29 phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.